All right, so if we have this coordinate for the endpoint, this one right here, okay, so remember for the midpoint is x and y. For the first endpoint is x1, comma, y1, and for the endpoint that is missing, it'll be x2 and y2. So if you have the endpoint, I mean, you have first the midpoint is x and y. Just remember that. But if you have the endpoint is x, y, and we add 1 to both of them. Okay, so we can use those values in the formula. Okay, so let me go back to the text. Okay, so you have 2 times for x2. X2 equals 2 times the value for x. The value for x is 8. 8. And then you subtract the value for x1, which is 5. Okay. Again, you multiply 2 times the value of x, and the value of x is 8. 8, 2 times x, 8 minus 5. So this is equals 2 times 8 is 16, and then 16 minus, okay, you can see the number 5 here, which is the value for x, and it'll be 11. Okay, now for the y2 will be the same thing. Okay, the same thing. Okay, now we have y2 is 2 times the value of y. Okay, and y at this point is negative 2. And then you're going to subtract the value of y1, and y1 has a value of 6. Okay, is 6. Okay, you multiply 2 times negative 2, you get negative 4. Negative 4. And then you subtract the negative 6. You subtract the negative 6, and negative 4 minus 6 is negative 10. Okay, if you graph this, let's graph this. We have first 5 and 6. 5 and 6. 5 comma 6. Okay, next. And then I have the 8 comma negative 2. 8 comma negative 2. Okay, this is the Desmos graph calculator. And then I have negative, I mean, hold on. And then I have 11, negative 10. 11, negative 10. Okay, so let's see those points in the graph. Okay, as you can see, the endpoint that we were looking for is right here. Okay, as you can see, it has the same distance from here, from this endpoint to the midpoint, than this endpoint to the midpoint. Okay, but there are, I mean, other ways to solve this. Okay, one way is just doing the next thing that I'm gonna do. Okay, let me grab again this span. So I have the coordinates for the